I'm from Australia, and before I came, I done a lot of research and about FUE, and I was very hesitant to come and do it here because it's out of my country. But when I first came, and everyone was so welcoming and so nice, and they made me feel so comfortable, and they explained the whole procedure to me. And after the first time round, I went home, and the results were more than satisfactory. Like, I expected less, but I got more of a surprise of how well the surgery went. So I decided to come back a second time, and I'm here now, and we've done a second round to fill up my crown, and I'm just so excited to start seeing the results from the second surgery, because I was so satisfied with the first results. So this place is awesome, and I'm happy that I chose AEK. And I'm actually planning to come a third time to make sure that I get a full head of hair and the results that I want. And I'm so happy that I've actually came here and I found you guys. You guys are awesome, and yeah, it feels like family to me. And you looked after me so much, and I just feel welcome every time I come here.